What's going on, YouTube? Andrew back at you again with another episode of Daily Reel. What's going on? It's been a little while since we did a project, so today we're doing a coolant flush and possibly a thermostat on this 2009 Toyota Yaris Type S 1.5 liter. So I'm gonna pull this cover off so I can get my hands down in here to see if I'm going to do a thermostat or if I'm just going to bleed it, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. Right now I got the pan under the car right there catching the coolant. The drain plug right there is the plug you guys are going to pull, and it's pretty much drained for the most part. So I'm going to go ahead and jack up the rear end because that helps get the coolant completely out. So I'm going to take right here, slap it under the jack point, and then guys, by doing this, getting the rear end elevated, like I said, it just helps get all the old coolant to the front end and get it all out. And guys, all that coolant is out. So I'm going to go ahead and start flushing it, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so right now all I'm doing is I just put that plug, if you can see it down there, that plug right there, I put it back in, and I'm just, as you see, running water through the entire system as I just splashed every freaking thing. And I just keep pulling the plug and flushing it out. We're almost done doing that. So as you see, I'm just that's literally all I'm doing. And then pull the drain plug back out. And guys, this is just water. I've already drained the coolant out, so there is no coolant getting on the ground. This is all water. And you can see that stream going down there. And that's literally all I'm doing. It's the easiest way to flush out a coolant system. And as I'm shooting the water into there, you can see it flowing back out, and it's coming clear. So guys, I'm going to plug this up, and I'm about to put coolant in, and I'll start bleeding it, and I'll be back. Alright guys, system is bled, or flushed, excuse me. Putting the plug back in, then I'm going to put coolant in it, then we're going to bleed it. So again, as soon as I get this tightened, I'll be back in a sec. Alright guys, we're back. So the coolant is in. You can see it sitting at the top there. I'll top it off just a little bit more so you guys can see what I mean. And then I'm going to go and start the car, and then we're going to completely bleed it. Now you can see it's topped off. So I'm going to go and start the car, and then we're going to actually start bleeding it. So you guys get the gist of it. I'm not going to stand here and record the whole thing, but Once you see it stop bubbling, you see the bubbles coming up, which means it's burping the system. Once you see that stop, it means it's done burping. It means all the bubbles are out. It means it's full of coolant. It means you can cap it off and be done with it. But as always, guys, I'm Andrew. This is another episode of Daily Reel. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell down at the bottom, guys. Like always, keep it real, keep moving forward. We'll see you next time.
I know what to do.